As I said yesterday that I'll be giving away something today. I'm giving away this MacBook Pro laptops. MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, I can see MacBook Air. Okay, it's fine. So I'm giving away this laptop. I wanted to give 10 laptops because remember this year I'm celebrating what? 10 years in the game, 10 years in the industry, 10 years in trading. So I wanted to give away 10 laptops. But something came to me this morning and said, no, give away the laptops, but don't only give away laptops, give away other things as well. So I think I'll be giving away also cell phones. Maybe every weekend for this month and the next month, maybe I'll be giving, every weekend I'll be giving away 10 cell phones, maybe 10 mentorships, 10 books, 10. I'm hoping to give away a lot of things this year. So today, let's start like this. I want you to tag me. By the way, just quickly, if you are my friend, or if you are part of my family members, or if we are sharing the same surname, or you know me, we are friends, we are disqualified. This is not for friends and family, this is for the people. So I just had to get it out because this morning I was getting so many messages and they were blowing up on my WhatsApp, and everyone is my friend and everyone is my family there. Yeah man, don't forget us. So this is, if you are my friend, you are my family, you are disqualified. This is not for you. And I'll make up for that one, so don't worry about that. So okay, so tag, make me a favor, tag 10 friends. Remember I'm celebrating 10 years. 10 friends, tag 10 friends, and don't just take any friend. Tag a friend that you want me to inspire this year. Tag them. After you tag them, I am going to look through your comments. But I'm also going to prioritize those people that don't just tag, but also tell me why they might need the laptop. And then maybe you can be lucky, people like your comment and then they upvote, and maybe I can just look at yours. But anyway, tonight and tomorrow I'll be going through everyone's message, everyone's comment and see who really deserves it. On top of that, on my next giveaways, today I'll be doing it manually, but on my next giveaways, you'll see that here I've got a giveaway board. So a long time ago I used to do a lot of giveaways. So I realized that, you know what, because I'm doing a lot of giveaways, this one comes with a nice story, this one tells you other stories, other people make up stories. So I was like, you know what, if I want to make this giveaway in a way that is unbiased, in a way that I won't put any emotion into it, I'm going to have to use a software. So this software will be helping me to do giveaways in the future, especially when I will be doing the giveaway of the cell phones next week, the giveaway of the books and other things. So I'll be using this software, but today I'll be the one going through the comments for this one, just for this one. But in future I'll be using this software. I really needed this software a few years ago. I'm so happy that someone has developed a software that can help with giveaways. So this software, what it does basically, it will go through your comments and then it will go with what I'm looking for. So if I'm looking for someone who's been following me for 3 years, it will select. If I'm looking for someone who's, so it will go according to what I want, the specifications. So this software, I love it. Because next week I want to give away to people who just followed me this year. Remember, there's some people who don't know who I am at all. So some people just followed me even today. So I want to even reward those people and say, you've done a good decision. This is yours. And then the software also help me if I want to reward. Like I'll be doing some giveaways where I'll be rewarding people who've been following me for years and years and years. So, but those ones are for the giveaways that I'll be doing on my birthday. My birthday, by the way, is March. I'll be doing a big giveaway that I've never done before. In the past, I've done big giveaways, but this one has never been done. I've done it before, but the quantity at what I'll be doing it will be very, very high. That one I'll definitely be giving away the old people who've been with me. So why am I doing giveaways this year? I'm celebrating 10 years in the industry. It's near pop in place. 10 years in that is not a joke. So guys, let's celebrate today. Let me see what you can do. So the first person to comment now with 10 friends, tag 10 friends now. I'll be choosing that one now, while the other ones I'll be choosing later on the day and tomorrow. Sharp.